Hey guys, it's Ashley from Tree Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Imagination mailbox for May. Okay, so you guys have to forgive me. This box is a great STEM subscription for children. They include toys, books, all sorts of activities for you to do with them. It's a quality time box, tons of stuff. It's $27.99 for the box that I'm reviewing. There are less expensive options. There's a mini, I believe. So I opened this up and I was like, so the April was Mother Earth or Nature, Mother Nature. And then I opened it up and I saw it. There's right here on the top, you'll have like a letter addressed to your child. And this is for Oliver. He gets so excited about these boxes. And then I started reading. I'm like, allow me to introduce myself. I am Mother Nature. I'm like, no, this is the April. It's not Mother, because Mother's Day. So this is all about different Mother Goose Day. She's a good friend of mine. National Lemonade Day. It's just, this is, they always send a letter addressed from a figure for that month. And then the letters to your child. Then there is a little thing here for the grown-up helper. And it kind of guides you through activities and things like that. So this is going to be like a nature-themed box. And then it does say that next month is a time-themed box. You do also get this fun little calendar for the month. Like, it has all those fun holidays. Like, today is National Coconut Cream Pie Day. So be sure to have your coconut cream pie day after you have your Taco Tuesday. All right, then we have the Fairy Tale Preschool Academy Science Experience for May 2018. So there are some science experiments, which we love. You guys know that. I'll also link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Imagination Mail so you can check them out. Okay, so here you can look inside and see how beautiful. First we have a long, okay, I have to tell you guys something funny. This is so cool. Oliver, I do not want any more pets. I have enough pets. I have one, I have a cat. But I mean, like, I have kids, I have, you know, I'm busy. We can't take on like a pet. Especially like ones where it's your kid's pet and they're supposed to take care of it and you really are taking care of it and trying to talk them into taking care of it. And Oliver just wants a snake. Like, he just wants a snake. He's got a snake. Look at, and this one has like the fun. Oh my God, he's gonna love this, by the way. This is so cool. All right, then we have these little table topics. These came in the last box too. These are awesome. My kids love to bring these to the table and talk over dinner. Like this one says, the May Queen asked, if you could turn anyone into the queen or king of the world, who would you pick and why? All right, then we have a game. This is called Ruckus. It's for ages 4+. It's the junior edition. See it, match it, steal it. That sounds fun. Oliver will be into this. He's 5, so this box is like perfect for his age range. He's right at that like very imaginative, but also beginning to be independent. You know what I'm saying? We got a little green bag. This is a wood kit, so you can create a wood, looks like a little ladybug bear, and then a frog back here. That should be fun. We can actually do this tomorrow. Then we've got some fine point markers, which I will hide. A squishy. Oh my gosh, my kids are obsessed. There are a couple of YouTube channels that they are like devoted to that specialize in this stuff. And then that gives them ideas, which is, it's good to be creative, but not with my toothpaste. Then we also have this squeeze jelly octopus. Ooh, look. What are those little dots in there? Ooh. All right, then we have some felt, it looks like felt stickers. There's butterfly, different nature things, frogs, flowers, all sorts of little geckos in there. We always get these little cards so you can write letters. I like that. There's 5 usually, 3, 4, 5. They also come with envelopes. Then we have a little color in your own puzzle. Ooh, that's cute. It has little jeweled stickers. I like that. So there's that. Do you see what I mean though? This box is just full of like tons of stuff. There's a little pin. This one has a hedgehog. I think every month they include a pin. It was a bunny before. The Berenstein Bears, we love our mom. And then we love our dad on the back. Oh, so cute. So we got some stickers. This is awesome. That's a thing that I do. I will just rip a page out, give it to each of the kids, give them a blank piece of paper, and say, do stickers. And then that allows them, they have like the creative control to put the sticker wherever they want. They're also, taking these stickers off is tricky, and it like helps them with their dexterity. I think that's like so cool. All right, then we have a little, tissue paper daffodil craft kit. So this is perfect for this time of year, and it's super cute. Then we have, what is this craft? I stepped outside, and what did I see? Red little ladybugs, as cute as can be. Can you count their spots with me? Oh, so it's a counting. Is it a game? I wonder. We'll have to find out more. This is a craft kit. So here it is. That's everything that's in the box. I can't wait. Oliver's gonna love this. All the kids do. They all kind of get involved because it's new stuff. New stuff is very exciting for children. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I'll also link to Imagination Mail so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.